Hello everyone, my name is Rashi Patel and my topic is about injuries. So let's start it. The first page is about the content which I covered in the PPT, that is injuries, their classification and the details of classification, their legal importance in investigation, conclusion and the references. So the definition of injury. Injuries are harm whatever illegal caused in body, mind, reputation, or property, according to Section 44 IPC, which is now converted into BNS. The physical injury helps determine cause and manner of death, provide evidence in criminal investigation. So the classification of injuries. Injuries are classified into 5 types. The first one is mechanical injury, the second one is thermal injury, the third one is firearm injury, fourth one is asphyxial injury, and the fifth and the last one is miscellaneous injuries. So the first one is mechanical injuries. Mechanical injuries are physical injuries caused by external forces and can be classified as abrasion, which is superficial skin scrap, for the example road rash. Second one is contusion, bruise due to blunt trauma, example punching. The third one is laceration, tearing of skin or tissue by a blunt object, for example hit by a stick. Fourth one is incised wound, clean sharp cut by any sharp object, example knife injury. The fifth one is stab wound, deep penetration by a pointed object, example knife or spear. The second one is thermal injuries. Thermal injuries are of 2 types. The first one is burn caused by heat, chemical or electricity. The burn are classified into 3 degrees. The first one is first degree burn, second degree burn and the third degree burn, according to the injury caused to the skin and the dermal layer. The second type of thermal injury is frostbite. Frostbite is tissue damage due to extreme cold. The third type of injury is firearm injuries, which have 2 types of injuries: entry wound and the exit wound. Entry wound, the one where a projectile like a bullet enters the body, smaller and typically circular or oval shape injury. Edges are clean and inverted, may have any aberration color, but rubbing of the projectile, usually less tissue damage compared to the exit wound. Often shoot or tattooing is present if fired at close range. Exit wound, the one where the projectile exits the body, usually larger, irregular and torn due to energy dissipation. Large and irregular in shape of the wound or the injury. Edges are everted, turned outward. Legs shoot or tattooing. More tissue destruction due to the bullet energy releases may not always occur if the projectile remain inside. The fourth type of classification is asphyxial injury. In asphyxial injury, the first one is suffocation, caused by lack of oxygen entering the body due to obstruction of airways or oxygen deprived environment. Example, smoothing, external blockage of the nose and mouth, choking, internal obstruction of airways. The second type is strangulation, caused by compression of the neck structure obstructing blood flow and or air passage. The types of strangulation is hanging, suspension of the body by the neck, ligature strangulation, use of constructing object, example rope, manual strangulation, using hands or other object to compress the neck. The fifth type of classification of injuries is miscellaneous injuries. In this miscellaneous injuries, there are different types of injuries. The first one is poisoning, injury related to chemical burn in case of acid poisoning. The second one is radiation injuries, skin burn and systematic effects. The third one is lightning injury, caused due to unique burn and neurological effect from the lightning strikes. The fourth one is electrical injury, caused by electric shocks or burns leading to tissue damage or cardiac arrest. So, the legal importance in investigation, a systematic process to uncover facts about incident involving injury or death. Objective of the legal importance in investigation is to determine the cause, manner, and mechanism of death, collect evidence to identify responsible parties, provide data for legal proceeding, reveals essential for justice delivery in preventing wrongful accusation. So, the conclusion is understanding injuries and their medical legal significance is crucial for investigations, ensuring justice through scientific evolution. These are the list of references from where I have taken all my points and the pictures. Thank you so much.